Hey guys, this is Kana with Reuse It, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you switch from our reusable lockable dust barrier zipper to a reusable magnetic entry strip. Our zippers are attached to the plastic sheeting using our mounting strip refills. So this is hook on the zippers, loop on the mounting strip refill. You'll take your magnetic entry strip, fold it in half so that the columns are stacked, and then you simply go down one side, lift off the unconnected side, come up and over. Done. You go back the other way. Peeling off the magnet, fold it up for storage, get your zipper, attach this by folding in half and coming down one side. Then just unzip the unattached side, and then you'll just come down the other half. A lot of people like to use the magnetic option during the workday and then switch to the zipper so that they can secure their job site. That's a quick demo on how to go back from zipper to magnet and magnet to zipper. This is great for dealing with the evolving needs of your project.